Hi, everybody. Welcome back for week 22 of PE. We are continuing with our pickleball this week. So, this week for your warm up, you have Super Bowl because we all know that's coming up Sunday. This or that Tabata. So, we've done this or that. You're going to select either this picture or that picture based on what you think for Super Bowl. And then with Tabata, you have 20 seconds to do the workout based on if you pick this picture or that picture. So you're going to do that for your warm up. And then here is the activities we're going to be doing to practice pickleball. So if you have that paddle that you created with a paper plate and what's that called? The thing you use in the kitchen where you can flip pancakes over. I can't think of the name of it right now, but taped it together like they showed you last week. And even if you're using a sock or a tennis racket or something that you have readily available where will work. So this could be hard for you because this is going to involve partners. Both of them will involve partners. So you may have to find a wall outside, maybe your garage door, something that you can hit against to kind of be your partner. Could be a little bit difficult to do exactly how it is here, but basically on the first one, our whole goal is to work on forehand and backhand swing. So you could just work on serving, and then when the ball comes off the wall, let it bounce, right? Or and hit it with your forehand only, and see how many times you can do that. And then do the same thing, but with your backhand. And you can go through the different levels here, right, that it talks about. And then on this one, you're going to do the same thing, but with the bounce now. So a volley is no bounce. It's the ball's in the air and it's going back and forth with no bounce. And then you can try it with one bounce, or you can start with one bounce and work to the volley, whichever works best for you. So those are the two activities that we're going to be doing this week to work on our forehand and backhand with pickleball. So hopefully you have a wall or something that you can use to kind of imitate being your partner and then just modify it when the ball comes off the wall. If you're on forehand practice, practice using only that forehand. If you're working on backhand, then practice only using your backhand so that you just get comfortable with the ball bouncing and returning it, or doing the volley where there's no bounce and returning it. So that's what we're working on this week in our pickleball unit. I hope you have a great time with the activities today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.